think what makes her the most deserving is that her teaching style, like I said before, comes from a place of empathy and from a place of being student-centered. She is most concerned with the students being able to understand completely all of the content, but also creating an atmosphere in the classroom that is inclusive, in which everyone feels comfortable interacting with everyone else. And she just does it so gracefully, and it's really admirable. She really cares, and she's a great role model for people like me who want to follow in her steps.
This is a huge award. The Murphy Undergrad Teaching Award is huge for Marcy, and Dr. Towns was pleasantly surprised and is so excited and delighted, and this is a huge honor for her, and it's just a great day, and we're very proud of her.
They called me back into 201 saying, hey, you know, you need to come up to 201, and I was kind of thinking, what's going on? This is weird. But we had been, Mary Beth and Cindy and I had been talking about the Chemistry 115 curriculum, so that all seemed very real and like, okay, yeah, this makes sense to sit down and talk about it. We're making some decisions and having some conversation, and so yeah, you fooled me. Good. So it was a huge surprise, and I mean, having Dale Whitaker come over was great, and Teresa Tabor-Doty, I've been working on the university core curriculum with, and having her be the person that was holding the sign was great, and having Pete Bill here, having my whole research group, and then people out of other groups that TA'd for me, like Mike Mazzotta and Shi Chung and Tony Chase were all here, and that was just absolutely wonderful. And Suzanne Bart, who I've taught with a bunch, and I think is just great. So gosh, it was really meaningful and really cool. And when Daniel talked about the inclusion piece and teaching from the heart, he's clearly very good with words, but I started getting all choked up when he did that, because it's really true. It means a lot to me to have my students succeed. It means a huge amount to me to reach out to students, which is why I've done office hours at the Black Cultural Center. We're going to have office hours at the LGBTQ Center next fall, to go where students are at and where they feel comfortable and sort of on their turf is incredibly important. Do it from your heart. What Daniel said is true. You put the students first and you do it from your heart and you go at it 100%, you will make a huge difference in your classroom. So.
Well, thank you, Marcy.